Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. The next 24 hours for the crypto market are going to be very crucial as the US election will be coming to an end and the new president will be picked. And that can be seen as the last 24 hours, the market has been in a standstill. But one thing that has not been in a standstill is actually Dogecoin. You can see that compared to all the top 10 tokens, Doge is actually up quite a significant amount. Everything else in a consolidation phase, while Doge is up 11%. You can add the top 20 tokens together, still doesn't come to how well Doge is doing in the last 24 hours. Now, even though the trading volume has taken a 32% dip, the market is still climbing for the Dogecoin, and that can be seen by also the whales. As you can see that this whale just in the last 24 hours has purchased about $25 million worth of Dogecoin. At the same time, we have broken those points just before the US election comes to an end. So if it goes in favor of Trump, it's going to definitely have a very good impact and push it even higher. Will Dogecoin give a second flag breakout? It's very likely, and Bitcoin ETF beat the gold ETF by 65% gains since launch. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just after you to bargain, then push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to the crypto market, the user engagement goes up, more people are paying attention, more people are throwing money into it, it starts climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys something important. Why is this rally that Dogecoin has just created very significant? Because you need to understand, when the market decided to take a pullback, I mean when Bitcoin just fell from 72k to about 68k, you can see that Doge did something similar. And what was a little scary for a lot of people is it did actually fall all the way back to the previous higher high, and that was going to be the turning point. If we actually fall below this, that would have pretty much put us back into a downtrend rather than pushing forward to an uptrend. But that's when the whales came into play. Now you can see that compared to where we were, it's very clear that the whales just wanted to hit that target, which was close to 14.5, and then they were able to hit those limit orders and the market did decide to climb back up. And once there was a little bit of optimism, let's just say the open interest also showed a lot of positive signs, up 20% in the last 24 hours and back over 1 billion again. Talking about the long to the short ratio, you guys will realize that the longs are still holding strong. Usually when the market climbs quite a significant amount, like 11% in the last 24 hours, usually the long traders like to take profit and just take their profit and walk away. And right now they are not doing that. They do want to hold for the long time, and you can see the ratio is also in a really strong favor towards the long traders. Now, this was estimated. The TD substantial indicator has flashed a buy signal on Dogecoin 4-hour chart. If you hold above the 14.1, we could rebound to 16.2. And it's very clear that right now we're well above that 16.2, sitting nearly at 17 cents. This time around, it's going to be very important to make sure that we're able to form the higher high. If we're able to just break above 17.5, it's very clear that we will be able to make it to 20 cents without a doubt. And the US dollar has been taking a little bit of a pullback today. So in a sense, you do need to understand that Trump's victory is going to play a very crucial role in the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, because if Elon decides to get involved and has something relating to Doge, well, you guys know what kind of impact that would have. Will Dogecoin give a second flag breakout? I mean, it's very expected if the breakout to revisit the 17.5. Right now, if Bitcoin decides to make a recovery tomorrow, let's just say 24 hours, just so you guys know, I don't live in America. I do not support either of the candidates. It doesn't matter to me which one wins. But if we talk about crypto market, the one that we need to win is definitely Trump. If Trump decides to win the crypto market, we'll be seeing a really strong inflow of cash from all those whales and the retail investors. And let's just say if Bitcoin decides to climb when Doge is already doing such good numbers without the Bitcoin rally, a strong Bitcoin rally tomorrow could make a huge difference to the Dogecoin prices. Tomorrow, you might actually wake up with the Dogecoin price sitting at 20 cents. I would not be surprised. At the same time, the Bitcoin ETF, it's doing some crazy numbers. The spot Bitcoin ETF surpassed other US ETF with 65% year-to-date returns since inspection. Now, that's crazy because it has amassed 70 billion in assets, more than 50% of the physical gold ETF holding over 130 billion. Bitcoin ETF recorded 2.2 billion inflow last week, and let's just say with the US election around the corner, a lot of people are anticipating good things. And let's just say if Trump wins tomorrow and the interest rate cut happen in the next 2 to 3 days, wow, the crypto market has good returns to give you. Now, another thing is this whale decided to buy about $75 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 16.8. Right now, they're only down 100K, but you can see that this person is definitely believing in something and they see something, and especially having that much money to put into crypto, they're not a small person. Elon Musk's Doge department mention gives Dogecoin the boost to get to the top daily rally. Now, just so you guys know, right now, the reason Doge is doing so well, it's not just due to a single factor. It's more like the charts are doing well. There is a little bit of promotion from, our boy Elon, and there are a lot of whales which are actually pushing their money into Dogecoin. And if you actually also pay attention to the whole of the ecosystem when it comes to meme coin, you'll realize that the whole ecosystem is kind of on a growth phase. I mean, other than Shiba and Doge, not other ones are not doing some crazy numbers, but it's definitely very clear that all of them are in good conditions, and Dogecoin is definitely going to be the leader and help everything grow to the point it wants to. The days following the last 3 US election has been volatile for Bitcoin, yet the overall trend has always stayed as an uptrend. That's exactly what I'm telling you. Maybe tomorrow we might be seeing a little bit of a volatile market, but overall the market's still going to climb. There is not going to be anything slowing it down. Despite the recent dip, the Dogecoin network is still expanding, 35,000 new addresses every single day. So you can see that also there are a lot of positive things happening in the background. Now, how US election result could drive the Dogecoin and the meme coin market to new highs. In simple terms, Trump victory is going to play a huge role. While let's just say Kamala's hit is not going to be too bad, but the way Trump can support the meme coin market and the overall crypto market, it's going to be a lot stronger. Mt. Gox moves 32,000 plus Bitcoin to 3 new wallets as the Bitcoin holds 68,000, deciding to hold for the long time. US Sport Bitcoin ETF sees the second largest outflow of 500 million on the 4th of November. So you can see why Dogecoin was able to do good, but Bitcoin was still not able to show a positive trend or crazy gains. 84% of the Dogecoin holders are in profit, but they're still holding. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Tomorrow is going to be a good day. I know you're excited. I am too. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.